China is leading the global charge in mass production of humanoid robots, outpacing competitors with incredible scale and speed. In 2025 alone, Chinese companies shipped around 87 to 90% of the world's humanoid robots, totaling over 13,000 units. Agibot, the Shanghai-based powerhouse, topped the charts by delivering more than 5,100 units in 2025 and reached their 5,000th mass-produced robot milestone, showcasing factory lines churning out full-size models for real-world tasks. The long-rumored funding round for German robotics company Neura Robotics has now been confirmed. According to Bloomberg, the Metzingen-based firm is raising about €1 billion from investors led by Tether Holdings SA, the company behind the world's largest stablecoin. The deal values Neura Robotics at around €4 billion and marks an important step as the company moves from research to large-scale production of its 4NE1 humanoid robot. Neura already has a €1 billion order book and is strengthening its strategy by moving humanoid R&D to Switzerland, partnering with Schaeffler for actuators, and expanding operations in India and China. With new funding and a growing global supply chain, the company's main challenge now is scaling production to millions of robots for industrial and home use by the end of the decade. Limx Dynamics Ollie is a full-size humanoid robot, standing at 1.65 meters tall with 31 degrees of freedom, designed for general-purpose tasks in areas like manufacturing, warehousing, and logistics. And it features advanced autonomous capabilities powered by the company's COSA, Embodied Agentic Operating System. Recent demonstrations, including one where 18 Ollie units autonomously emerged from shipping crates, stood up, walked in formation, and performed coordinated routines without human intervention, highlight its breakthrough in scalable deployment and multi-robot coordination. As of early 2026, following a $200 million Series B funding round, Limx Dynamics is advancing toward mass production of Ollie, which is expected to significantly reduce costs and accelerate its adoption in industrial and global markets. Kepler Robotics K2 brings exploration-grade autonomy to humanoids in 2026. At 5 feet 9 inches and 140 pounds, the K2 uses dual 7-degree of freedom arms and Kepler's proprietary Forerunner AI to navigate unmapped terrain. Think disaster zones or lunar analogs. Its 3D LiDAR and thermal imaging suite enables night operations, while a 4-hour swappable battery supports extended missions. Trained on 50,000 hours of teleoperated data, K2 can climb rubble, open doors, and relay live feeds to first responders. With NASA analog tests in 2025 and commercial pilots starting mid-2026, the K2 is the rugged scout humanity needs for extreme environments. Kepler Robotics K2 Bumblebee humanoid robot has been deployed on actual production lines, demonstrating autonomous navigation across factory floors, stable execution of tasks such as component loading and unloading, and rapid setup via the Kepler Studio platform. The robot's industrial-grade design supports up to 8 hours of continuous operation after just 1 hour of charging, making it suitable for demanding manufacturing environments. Recent reports confirm Kepler's mass production of the K2 model began in late 2025, with early deployments including automotive plants like SAIC GM, where it handles quality checks, assembly, and material handling, backed by strategic investments from partners such as Xiaofeng.
Xpeng will start mass production of the Iron humanoid robot in April 2026. Large-scale sales are planned by the end of 2026. At first, Iron will work in factories doing tasks like assembly, sorting, transport, and inspection. Testing is already happening at Xpeng's Guangzhou plant and with partner Baosteel. Xpeng is opening the robot's SDK software kit to developers around the world so they can create new uses, such as shop assistants or museum guides. The company wants to sell 1 million Iron robots per year by 2030 and plans to invest up to $13.8 billion over the next 20 years to turn Iron into a helper for both factories and homes. Beijing-based Robotera launched the world's first end-to-end visual language action humanoid system for real-world warehouses on November 21, 2025. Its full-size bipedal robot StarAct L7, equipped with a flexible 3-DoF waist and 12-DoF dexterous hands, autonomously picks, scans, and boxes mixed items, solving the flexible picking bottleneck that slows traditional systems during peak seasons. Powered by Robotera's ERA42 model and direct WMS integration, the solution is already deployed and designed for fast, scalable rollout across logistics operations. Zhejiang Humanoid Robot Innovation Center unveiled the Navyi i3 humanoid robot in November 2025. The robot is positioned as the third-generation model designed to revolutionize security applications, with its 1.8-meter height and robust build for patrolling and surveillance duties. Building on predecessors like the Navyi Navigator 2, the i3 incorporates advanced AI for boundary-breaking perception and response, enabling it to protect the future through real-time environmental analysis and human-like interaction in dynamic settings. The robot's training demonstrations highlight its potential as the security guard of the future, featuring agile mobility, obstacle detection, and adaptive behaviors tailored for urban and industrial protection scenarios.
1X's Neo is the consumer king of 2026. At 5 feet 6 inches, Neo automates chores, companionship, and security with Redwood AI. It lifts heavy items, learns routines via voice, and operates at 22 decibels, quiet enough for homes. Soft, washable skin ensures safety around kids and pets. Pre-orders open at $20,000 or $499 per month, with U.S. shipments starting 2026. Privacy zones and face blurring build trust. Neo is the bot you'll want in your living room. 1X blew minds when they unveiled Redwood, an AI foundation model trained on real-world household data. Their Neo robot suddenly became way more independent, handling tasks like folding laundry, navigating homes, and even answering the door autonomously. This was a huge step toward robots that learn like us, without needing constant human oversight. Deep Robotics, a Chinese company renowned for its quadruped robots, unveiled the DR02 in October 2025 as the world's first industrial-grade humanoid robot with a full-body IP66 protection rating, enabling reliable operation in all weather conditions, including rain, dust, and extreme temperatures from -20 degrees Celsius to 55 degrees Celsius. The DR02 features a highly anthropomorphic design, standing 175 centimeters tall, with advanced capabilities such as a walking speed of up to 4 meters per second, obstacle navigation, and a 275 TOPS computing unit supported by multi-sensor perception for real-time environmental adaptation. With its modular quick-replace components for easy maintenance and focus on practical industrial applications like patrols, inspections, and logistics, the DR02 aims to overcome traditional limitations of humanoid robots in harsh, unstructured environments. Deep Robotics DR02 has recently been demonstrated performing graceful Tai Chi sequences and dynamic martial arts-inspired movements, highlighting its exceptional balance, fluidity, and joint coordination. These viral videos, released in late December 2025, showcase the robot transitioning seamlessly from slow, precise Tai Chi flows to more energetic actions, impressing viewers with its human-like agility and stability in complex motions. A humanoid robot named Moya made her public debut in Shanghai, displaying remarkably natural behaviors such as smiling, nodding, maintaining eye contact, and walking smoothly. Developed by the Shanghai-based company DroidUp, Moya features a customizable modular design and is powered by the newly unveiled Walker 3 skeleton, which incorporates lightweight lattice, muscle materials for enhanced movement, better cooling, and extended endurance. Building on the success of its predecessor, Walker 2, which placed third in the world's first humanoid half-marathon in Beijing, DroidUp aims to integrate such robots into everyday applications, including household assistance, elder care, and companionship. Another Chinese innovator is X Robots, which develops hyper-realistic humanoids with enhanced facial movements, often featuring female designs for museums, education, or interactive displays. As of 2025 developments, their robots take 2 weeks to a month to produce, priced from about $207,000 to $276,000, focusing on lifelike expressions and interactions rather than full mobility. The well-known Chinese company, X Robots, has unveiled their latest innovation, hyperrealistic robots designed to replicate human emotions. This breakthrough, revealed at their factory in the coastal city of Dawn, marks a major step forward in the field of humanoid robotics. Engineers are focusing on perfecting the robot's facial expressions and emotional reactions using miniature motors and advanced AI algorithms. X Robots CEO Li Beng has stated that humanoid robots represent the highest level of complexity in robotics. Each robot takes between 2 to 4 weeks to produce and is priced between $200,000 and $280,000. Originally created for use in museums, these hyperrealistic robots are expected to revolutionize industries such as healthcare, education, and psychological counseling. Founded in 2009, X Robots began exploring humanoid robotics in 2016. Fast forward to 2021, and the company proudly opened China's first robot museum, the Future Science and Technology Museum, located in Liaoning Province. This state-of-the-art facility serves as the hub for the company's research and development, housing a dedicated bionic robot production line focused on creating intelligent humanoid robots. X Robots sets itself apart with expertise in research, development, manufacturing, sales, and service in the field of intelligent bionic humanoid robots. At the museum, visitors are treated to an impressive showcase of lifelike humanoid robots, including Zhang Lily, an intelligent humanoid bionic robot created by X Robots. With silver short hair, a charming round face, and silver armor, Zhang Lily represents the peak of digital modeling and 3D printing technology. These robots are crafted with incredible attention to detail, replicating real human faces with skin elasticity and a realistic touch. Combining silicone artistry with technological precision, these robots stand at human height and feature fully articulated joints and bones. X Robots has earned praise for creating robots that blur the line between reality and artificiality. Their silicone-skinned robots resemble humans so closely and serve various roles across society, including in medicine, service industries, and education. Users can control the robots, adjusting facial expressions via apps or manipulating gestures with specialized gloves. Additionally, These robots are designed to express a wide range of emotions, from joy to sadness, and can even stick out their tongues or display melancholic expressions. X Robots produces approximately 2,000 humanoid robots annually. Their prominence in the field was further highlighted by their participation in the 2023 World Robot Conference in Beijing, which took place on August 17th. Unitree Robotics, from Hangzhou, follows closely, with thousands shipped and ambitious plans to deliver up to 20,000 humanoids in 2026, featuring agile bots like the G1 that perform acrobatics and industrial work. UBTech, the established Shenzhen player, achieved a world first by beginning mass delivery of hundreds of their Walker S2 industrial humanoids, with production ramping up dramatically for factory automation. Emerging innovators like Magic Lab, with their versatile Magic Bot, are deploying fleets in Chinese factories for collaborative tasks, pulling heavy loads and enabling flexible production lines. Humanoid, the Beijing Innovation Center, pushes boundaries with advanced platforms like Tiankung 3.0, integrating embodied AI for high dynamic motion and tactile interaction in practical applications. These companies are shifting humanoid robots from viral demos and Lunar New Year spectacles to actual commercial deployment in manufacturing, logistics, and services. Get ready. China's humanoid robot revolution is accelerating, and mass production is turning science fiction into everyday reality faster than ever before.